One of the biggest questions for anyone looking to buy a car: what's the most reliable brand out there? For years, Toyota has been the gold standard in reliability, from compact sedans to rugged SUVs. But what if I told you there are other brands giving Toyota a serious run for its money? In today's video, we'll explore 5 brands that have proven their commitment to durability, ease of maintenance, and sheer longevity. Hit that subscribe button, it will help me a lot, and let's dive into the top car brands that can truly rival Toyota when it comes to reliability. 5. Hyundai, the underdog turned industry leader. Hyundai is a brand that has seen a massive transformation over the past 2 decades. From being seen as a budget option to now standing shoulder to shoulder with the world's most reliable brands, Hyundai's journey has been impressive. Today, Hyundai is known for delivering vehicles with strong build quality, advanced features, and an unbeatable warranty, proving that affordable cars can also be incredibly durable. A huge part of Hyundai's success in reliability comes from its 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, one of the longest in the industry. This isn't just a marketing tactic, it's a statement of confidence in their car's quality. Hyundai invests heavily in quality control and durability testing to back up its warranty claims. Models like the Santa Fe and Tucson have become highly reliable SUVs, often beating out other vehicles in their class, including the Toyota Highlander, in terms of reliability. Hyundai's dedication to improving manufacturing processes, material quality, and overall vehicle design has won it several accolades in dependability studies. Its use of advanced high-strength steel in vehicle frames, for example, increases the car's durability and crash safety without adding unnecessary weight. This strategic use of materials, paired with a focus on user-friendly tech and simpler engines, has made Hyundai vehicles long-lasting and relatively easy to maintain. The Hyundai Elantra and Sonata sedans are particularly popular for their low cost of ownership and high reliability. Even with a decade of use, many of these models remain highly functional and continue to perform well with minimal repairs. Hyundai's transformation into a reliability powerhouse has made it a brand that can go head-to-head with Toyota for dependable and affordable vehicles. 4. Lexus, luxury meets unmatched durability. While Lexus is technically part of the Toyota family, it deserves a mention on its own for its remarkable dedication to luxury and reliability. Lexus takes Toyota's solid engineering foundations and combines them with premium materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and an extra layer of quality control to ensure its vehicles are among the most reliable in the luxury segment. Take the Lexus RX, for example. This mid-sized luxury SUV is frequently compared to Toyota's Highlander, but it offers a level of refinement and build quality that sets it apart. Lexus's commitment to high-end components means that their vehicles don't just look and feel premium, they're also built to last. Models like the RX and ES consistently rank among the highest for reliability in the luxury market, making Lexus a top choice for buyers who want both luxury and durability. Another factor contributing to Lexus's high reliability is its focus on tested, proven technology. While other luxury brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz often integrate cutting-edge tech features that may sacrifice reliability, Lexus tends to be more conservative with the adoption of new technology. This conservative approach ensures that the technology Lexus includes is thoroughly tested and unlikely to become a source of issues down the line. In terms of powertrains, Lexus offers a range of hybrid options that are well regarded for their durability. Lexus hybrids, such as the ES 300 Hours, offer an incredibly smooth driving experience and are known for lasting well over 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. For luxury car buyers who want to prioritize reliability, Lexus is a brand that truly delivers on its promises. 3. Honda, Toyota's longtime rival in reliability. Honda has always been right up there with Toyota when it comes to reliability. These two Japanese giants have competed head-to-head for decades, and for a good reason. Honda is known for producing vehicles that are not only efficient but also incredibly durable. The Civic and Accord, Honda's flagship sedans, have achieved near-legendary status among car buyers and industry experts alike. Honda's reliability is often credited to its BTEC engine technology, which allows for efficient power delivery and excellent fuel economy without sacrificing engine durability. VTEC, which stands for Variable Valve Timing and Lift Electronic Control, optimizes the engine's performance at different speeds. At lower speeds, VTEC allows the engine to operate more efficiently, while at higher speeds, it provides extra power. This makes Honda engines both versatile and long-lasting. The Honda CR-V, a compact SUV, has become a favorite for its practicality and reliability. Many buyers compare it directly to the Toyota RAV4, and the CR-V often edges out its Toyota counterpart in reliability scores. Additionally, Honda's approach to simplicity and affordability in maintenance makes it an attractive option for drivers who want minimal hassle when it comes to repairs. Honda's high reliability scores are also reflected in its resale value. You'll find that used Hondas often retain their value remarkably well, which is a testament to their durability. Honda's focus on creating engines and drivetrains that can endure for years, combined with a reputation for low-cost repairs, makes it a true rival to Toyota in the reliability arena. 2. Mazda, the master of simple yet durable engineering. Next up, let's talk about Mazda. Mazda has transformed over the years from a brand known for its sporty zoom image to a company that now blends excitement with exceptional durability. Mazda's approach to reliability has been intentional, focusing on quality engineering and design simplicity. This commitment to functional elegance has allowed Mazda to compete directly with Toyota and other top-tier brands. Mazda's hallmark is its Skyactiv technology, which represents a series of engineering innovations that improve engine efficiency, reduce weight, and increase fuel economy. Skyactiv engines are built with precision, focusing on optimal combustion without the need for turbochargers, which can often be a source of mechanical issues. By using high-compression engines, Mazda ensures that its vehicles are powerful yet resilient, reducing the likelihood of wear over time. Another element of Mazda's reliability is its focus on reducing unnecessary tech features that may look flashy but often become maintenance headaches. The Mazda 3 and Mazda 6, for example, offer a sleek and minimalist approach to their interiors, with fewer components that can break down. The brand's dedication to reducing weight through lighter yet stronger materials also adds to the car's durability and fuel efficiency. The Mazda CX-5 is an excellent example of Mazda's reliability. It's a compact SUV that consistently competes with Toyota's RAV4. The CX-5 combines Mazda's signature handling and sporty feel with a reputation for reliability, making it a popular choice among drivers who want a reliable yet fun-to-drive SUV. Mazda's track record in reliability studies, from Consumer Reports to J.D. Power, consistently places it among the top brands for long-term durability. 1. Subaru, the rugged road warrior. Let's kick things off with Subaru. Subaru is the brand you think of when it comes to cars that don't just handle tough conditions, they thrive in them. Subaru has made a name for itself among drivers who need a vehicle that can conquer all sorts of terrain and weather, especially snowy or muddy environments. Models like the Outback, Forester, and Crosstrek have won over outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, and families looking for a car that's both rugged and dependable. One of the stand-up features that sets Subaru apart is its symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which is standard in most of its models. While many other brands, including Toyota, offer all-wheel drive as an option, Subaru takes it to the next level. The symmetrical design ensures balanced weight distribution, giving drivers better control and stability, particularly in slippery conditions. This feature, combined with Subaru's Boxer engine, a unique flat engine that lowers the center of gravity, allows for a smoother and more stable ride, reducing wear on the vehicle and making it last longer. Subaru's reputation for reliability is further bolstered by its simple yet sturdy design approach. Unlike some brands that focus on luxury or high-tech features, Subaru has built its cars with a focus on practicality and durability. The Crosstrek, for example, has been a hit in the US market for its rugged build and low cost of ownership. Subaru's commitment to reducing mechanical complexity while focusing on durable components has earned it high marks in long-term dependability. In fact, industry reports show that Subaru vehicles are among the most likely to reach 200,000 miles. Subaru's focus on practicality, simplicity, and durability has made it a top contender in the world of reliable vehicles. 6 car brands that give Toyota a real run for its money in terms of reliability. From Subaru's ruggedness to Lexus's luxury, these brands offer incredible choices for anyone looking for a reliable car. Whether you're after performance, durability, or value, each of these brands brings something unique to the table. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more car content. Let us know in the comments which brand you think rivals Toyota the most. We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.